What's up, everybody? This video is about this. This is a FlySky GPS. It goes with, you're gonna need a good FlySky receiver. This is the only FlySky receiver I use because to me it's just the best receiver. You know, it got everything. Built-in gyro, you could turn it on off. Like this car, I actually use a gyro, but my other Limitless I don't. My other Limitless don't run well with the gyro, run better without the gyro. So I turns it off, but this has built-in gyro, it's an enhanced receiver. You know, you wanna learn stuff about it, go to WTF.Rc. He tells you everything about both these products, and I think that this is the best receiver. But this is really why I wanna make the video about this GPS. This GPS is supposed to show me the real speed by speed during real times on my transmitter. So I'm gonna hook this up to this car and I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna test. First I gotta go watch WTF.Rc video to figure out how to remember, you know, so I can learn how to set it up. I forgot how to set it up. So, but he got all the inside information. But if this works, man, this is like the best receiver ever. You know, it's just the best receiver ever. I got a little, this is just a little, this is how I power my thing. What is this? This is a little power box. So, and I use it to power this extender. That's what it's used for, to power the extender. I could have powered the extender just from this, but this is only 5 volts and I wanted like 8 volts, and this is more like 8 volts. So that's why I use this. But this transmitter, just the FlySky Noble Pro, so like to me, just, I don't know, best transmitter, especially if this GPS works and I can see my speed in real time, my distance, all on my transmitter. Oh yeah, that's gonna be the shit. And you can record it. You can record it, you can record your runs, so you can see how fast you went. It has acceleration, you know, has distance and some other things I probably won't use, but I know I'm gonna use acceleration, speed, and distance. I know that. So I'm gonna get this car back, put back together, and I'm gonna get this on there and get it all set up, and then we're gonna go outside. We're gonna see how this actually works, because if this works the way I think it should work, this is gonna be like the best shit ever. You know, especially for speed runs. It's like the best transmitter to me for speed runs. So let me get this on there and I'll see y'all outside. All right, I'm testing out this little GPS thing that's on here. So we're gonna see how, this is the record screen, because you have to record it if you want to see your top speed on it. It'll show you a mile per hour as you move in the car, but on the normal screen, but it won't save the top speed. So I'm gonna take it down here. I got a little button on my transmitter. I just hit the button and it'll start recording. Yeah, I ain't gonna do nothing but maybe 30 miles per hour or so, if that. So see, all right, so I'm about to hit record and then I'm gonna see, it's gonna show me a little up here, and now I'm taking off. Stop recording. Let's say I hit somewhere close, maybe, I don't know if y'all see that, but that's 36 miles per hour, somewhere close to around 36 miles per hour. Hopefully that's in this camera. You know, yeah, so, but I had to record it in order to get that. You know, I got it set to up to 180 because I ain't got no cars that go that fast. So, but I got close to around 136 miles per hour. So if I hit the acceleration, it shows me the acceleration. If I hit throttle, it shows me my throttle pull. This is all on the little GPS module. I got it mounted right there in front of the car. I'm gonna compare it to that one on them probably the next time. I'm gonna compare it to the Sky RC. But for now, I'm just, you know, just testing it out, see how it works. But it goes to there. I'm gonna show you this other screen. right there. It's on the miles per hour. Let me see if I can turn it around real quick and let it roll slow. Let me see. I'm gonna let it roll slow up here in the left corner, top left corner. See, it's showing me my speed as the car is moving. Trying to watch the car and not hitting it at the same time and record this. So hopefully y'all can see that. Let me turn the car back around. Let's see if I can get a better, clearer view of it. But see, show my miles per hour in real time, but it don't save it. So that's the only thing, it don't save the top speed unless you're over here on the data record screen. And I can hit, then it'll save the miles per hour. But you had to hit record before you take off. You know, I'm gonna clear it. It's hard to do this with just one hand. Hold on, let me put this thing back on my head. I don't know if y'all seeing this or not, but hopefully y'all are seeing this. But that's throttle, speed, acceleration. Oh, data record. Oh, that's all of them. See? But I can clear it at 0, put it back on speed. Let's turn it around. It ain't showing nothing because I'm not recording. But it'll show you the speed on your main speed. Only thing is, I wish it had saved the top speed. Well, okay, but I'm gonna hit record. It's recording. I'm gonna just let it continue to record. I don't know if y'all can see what y'all can see or not, but I hit the button to stop recording. And they go to say 36 right here. And I got probably about 35, 34. So, but that's how it works. I'm gonna test it out against the Sky RC and see how accurate it is. I guess it ain't gonna be perfectly accurate because it don't just give me numbers, which I wish it gave me numbers, you know, which would make it a whole lot better, you know, but it is what it is. I'm kind of like it. I'm gonna play with it some more, see what else I can learn how to work with it. But this is the GPS that connects to my transmitter, so I can get, you know, my live speed right there. So, all right. Well, thank everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.